Hello everybody, this is Nora, and I received a request to do a quartz tutorial using gel polishes. So I thought this will be a perfect opportunity to make use of my brand new Azurid gel polishes that I received not too long ago, and I did do a review on these. I will go ahead and link that down below. But these are different variations of pinks. So I will go ahead and show those to you really quick. I have started with a base. My white base here is my very favorite white by Pure Joy. This is a one-step gel, and I applied just a single coat on these 3 nails, but then I went ahead and applied 2 coats on my ring nail, which is I am going to finish it as an accent using these very pretty silver and pink embossed flowers that I've had for ages from Born Pretty store. Yes, so the pinks that I'm from Azurid that I'm going to use, this one is, the number is CG51. There it is. So these are different shades of pinks. This one is where it looks more like a taupe color because I want this for depth. So you will want that, and the number on this one is CG38, and this is another pink. So this one's a little deeper pink, like a mauve, very pretty, and this one is CG02. So let's get started. final look, you guys. This is actually a recreation. I created my very first quartz nails back in around maybe this time of year last year. My nails were shorter and I did them with just using regular polishes, but this was a request from Sweet November. She wanted to see how to go about doing a look like this using gel polishes, and I was more than happy to recreate it for her. And I do thank her for her support and for being a subscriber. I think I'll have to say, guys, this is one of the easiest way that I find to apply gel polishes. I don't know why, but I use, you know, what I did there. I find it so much easier than applying the actual gel straight and brushing it straight out of the bottle. If you ever tried it, you'll see what I mean. If you agree, let me know if you try something like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.